made dramatic improvements in their attitude and is determined that schoolwork will match their newfound attitude. They made a choice to change and have a positive attitude towards school staff and education. CCSA would like to thank Keyshawn Bush. Thank you very much, Keyshawn. So,
Say hi to your mom.
Hi, Mom. Love you.
so, again, it's one award today. It can be many next month. And remember, next month is how many weeks away? 2. So I'm looking forward to giving out at least 2 or 3 in this class every month, because I know this class very well. We rap with each other at lunchtime, right?
Yeah.
So that means that you guys are going to have a good year, and if your name is not mentioned today, does not mean that you don't deserve an award, because you all are doing something that you're supposed to be doing, and that's getting an education. Okay? All right, everybody. Love you guys.
Bye, Mr.